Well, hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina, and this is my shopping life. And today we are back shopping at Aldi's. And of course, they have all the fun little spring chocolates, and especially around Easter time. And these are the chocolate Easter, look at the little bunnies and eggs for $3.99. This is a good size bag. And definitely cute. They're all hollow, which is nice. So at least it's not, if they're eating them, it's not too much chocolate. I see yellow bunnies and the green bunnies. And it's so cute. I love all the bright colors that they have. And then here is another one, chocolate surprise egg for $5.99. This is really just beautifully wrapped. Looks like there's pink wrapping and blue wrapping. I like the gold bow. And I'm assuming there may be other little candies inside there, as being a surprise egg. And for $2.49. Here is vanilla and cocoa wafer eggs. Well, those could be good. I'm not going to get any of these items. I don't like putting too much candy in my daughter's basket. But I know she looks forward, she does look forward to it. And at $2.99, you have the chocolate coins. And those are cute with all the little fun pastel colors. And then for $2.99, these kind of remind me of the Lindt chocolate bunnies. Oh, that one fell over. And it feels hollow. I like the little charm. Look how cute that is. And the price of it is actually pretty reasonable, especially for the size. It's so cute. And then the Kinder Joy eggs. Now, my daughter does like these. I will get these for her. She has so much fun with these. $7.96. Because I always have like a little toy in there. And I know she likes putting those together. And then, of course, they have some of the gummies. A lot of little treats. And the M&Ms, and try to see, oh, those are only $1.39. Not too bad. And then, of course, the Hershey Kisses, $3.28. And, of course, the Peeps. The Peeps are everywhere right now. And those are $1.36. Not too bad of a price, because it is a good size box. Yeah, there's 10 chicks in there. The marshmallow, yeah, these are just a little too sweet for me. Even when I was younger, I was the hugest fan of the Peeps. And then you have the classic Jellybird eggs at $2.98. And then the Starburst jelly beans. They look like cherry, watermelon, and strawberry. And then they have the original Starburst jelly beans as well. When I was younger, I used to love Starburst, but I had one like a couple years ago and it hurt my teeth. It wasn't as chewy as it used to be, or as I remembered. You have cotton candy, you have the Pez. So many little fun chocolates for this time of year. And they have a kind of cart right in the way. And even gourmet jelly beans. And they're showing all the different ones. This kind of reminds me of the Jelly Bellies. Mini eggs, milk chocolate. Those are $3.28 for the Cadbury. And then you got the Reese's eggs. And that's a 6-pack for $3.69. Now we're going to kind of look at some other areas. I am loving these little plants. Now it's just one in here. You have raspberry, blackberry, or blueberry. $6.49. I think I'm going to grab, I love all of them. I think I'm going to grab the raspberry and see what happens. I'll plant that. Hopefully you'll see something by the summer. Yeah, but I mean, I love all three of them. These are all one of my favorites, including like strawberries. And then here are some flowers. Now $3.49. There's some bulbs. There's a lot of different ones, so you could kind of go through, find some of your favorites. And you really do have to kind of go through these. There are some really interesting ones. Yeah, of course the lilies. I always have to be careful of lilies just because they are just so toxic to animals. And oh, the Dutch iris, those are pretty too. All of them are really beautiful. And the price is pretty reasonable. Okay, we are going to keep moving on. Now, this was really interesting. This glass mixing bowl set. It's an 8-piece set, so you're getting 4 bowls with 4 lids. And it was a good weight to it. And so I didn't see the price at the bottom, so we did double check. There are $16.99 for this set. They just put them out. Now, while I'm looking at some of these other items, like the carpet and upholstery, I remember that being like, what, $89? And they've changed the price to it to $59.99. Because I showed it a couple of weeks ago. Because they had the carpet spot cleaner, they had the spin sweeper, they also had the spin mop, and that sold out really fast. Yeah, even this has been now is $12.99. And even the concrete table lamp has gone down to $37.99. Now these are kind of cute. You have a little mini bundt cake maker. And it looks like you get about 3 different colors. So it's beautiful. You have purple, you have blue, you have pink. And so you have the cake maker, you have the mini griddle, and these are tiny. And then you have the little mini waffle maker. And this is actually perfect, especially if you're just wanting to make, just one. And so I did double check the price, and these are $8.99. The rattan candles, these are actually really pretty. And I can see 2 different scents. But these are a really good size. You have 3 wicks. And those are $6.99. And we're always finding new items here at Aldi. I call it a little treasure hunt. Now this wreath, this is $19.99. Obviously it's artificial. These pieces are kind of like wood, or probably more like press board. But it's really cute. And then here's another one that I found. And yes, the macrame, the plant hangers. Now there's a set of 2, $9.79. Those have gone down. The ceramic planter on the stand, $7.49. That has gone down in price. Now this was really interesting. The enamel wood serving tray. And they're saying this is mango wood. And look how pretty. See, it is glossy. Now I like this one. I know it's plain, but I think it's perfect for serving. And I always like that because to me it's like a blank canvas and I get to make it all pretty. So you have the square or you have the circles. They're both $14.99. And so you get 3 different designs too. Now here is another little set. This kind of goes with it. This resin knife set. And of course there's no price. Maybe it's the same as the utensils, maybe. Those were $7.99 as well. Now these candles really caught my eye. This is so pretty. I know they had something very similar to these last year. So you have like 3 different scents. This purple one is purple's one of my favorite colors, and that was just pretty. They're all really pretty. Because I think they're really nice, especially like after you've burned the candle. It'd be a really pretty dish. Or not dish, but a really pretty jar. You can store whatever you want. You can even make a new candle with it if you want. $7.99. And there's a lot of toys out right now. So $8.99 for Barbies. We're just going to kind of briefly go through these. You have these little toys, Fisher Price for $5.99. And the Play-Doh, which is always fun, $4.49. Oh, you can make tacos. And then this one looks almost like you can make different. I know my daughter used to have a lot of these. And that's actually a pretty good price for them, $4.49. And then you have the desk lamp. That has gone down in price from $34.99 down to $26.99. And then there's a portable table or travel and game table. This is actually really cute. Keep the kids busy when you're on the road. Now, regular $14.99 are down to $11.29. The wood and marble recipe stand. This is actually really nice. And you can use this for even like if you have a tablet with a recipe, you can just put that on there. Or if you're, want to use a cookbook. You do get a couple of options, which is really nice. And the price is $19.99. I have seen those go up so much higher. I don't know why they get so expensive. And the tablecloths, now I do like their tablecloths. Now there are about 2 different prints, and they usually have about 2 to 3 different sizes, and then have 3 different colors. So you can see almost like the earth tone, like almost like a beige, blue, and the light green. And the ALDI ware is here. This is actually so much fun. You have the slides, so you have a men's or lady sizes. And these are actually really cute. And fun too, especially if you want to, if you want to sport the ALDI ware, $4.99. That's actually a pretty decent price. The windbreaker, now these are $9.99. There was 2 different styles. I think one they say is men's, one with the ladies. But honestly, you could wear whichever one you want. They have the pullovers, they have the jogger pants. And they're kind of fun. And these are going to, honestly, these will sell out so fast. They do have some of the sizes on the back, but the prices are reasonable. So if you have any of those, let us know how well they fit. And then the umbrella. Now this one is really cool. This has been the most popular. Obviously, we're in Southern California, all the rain. So $4.99 for an umbrella. That's actually a pretty decent price. And you have the bucket hat or baseball cap, $3.99. So these are fun. This is one up here. I like that. The ALDI Insider. And then you have the gear belt bag, $6.99. I like how they don't call them fanny packs anymore. So you have a solid gray, and then you have the light blue. And then for $1.50, there is the keychains back here. There are socks. Now, I know the socks are, I think, about $4.99. I have not seen the socks. I was kind of hoping to find the socks because I think those would be fun to wear. And then you have the stainless steel tumbler, $6.99. There's actually 3 colors. They're light blue, and navy blue, and in white. But those are a good size, 24 ounces. And then some of the food. So for $2.49, we have some of the cakes. And you have tuna cakes, lime, cilantro, and then a sweet chili salmon cake. These are very interesting. And then you have the bacon wrapped sea scallops. And then for $3.89, beef or chicken, the layer tostada. I kind of just left these in the freezer. I really didn't want to keep opening and closing the doors. For $5.99, you have shrimp scampi. So only a few new food items. And the bags. So these are fun. Of course, the 25 cents is showing like for the cart. These bags are actually, I want to say, about 98 cents. A good size. Yeah, 98 cents. And the most Oreo. My daughter tried these. She couldn't stop talking about them. $4.25. She said it was so good. I know most kids do love Oreos. The Reese's Puff Bunnies, $2.99. So everybody, well, thank you so much for coming along to Aldi with me and for watching today. Thank you so much for your support. Take care, and I will talk to you later.